Hey guys, welcome to Sublime. So finally we are switching to Laravel. In this playlist I will teach you about Laravel, and first of all I have to make some settings to my Sublime text editor. So first of all we will go on browser and write here package control.io and press enter. So we will click on installation, and here is some sort of data. I will copy this, copy. uh, it's up to you whether you are using Sublime Text 2 or Sublime Text 3. As I am using Sublime Text 3, so I have copied this code, and I will go to my Sublime Text, and right here I will click on view and show console, and I will place this, and I will press enter. So it will take some time. So we will go to tools and command plety, and here I will search for install package control, and here I got an option install package, and I will click on this. It will take some time, as you can see on the left side of Sublime Text. Here I will write Laravel and blade highlighter. So this will also install, and it will take some time. The purpose of this package installation is to make my text highlighted. So as you can see, the package is being installed. Command plety and then install package, and then I think I have to paste this. Here is blade snippet. So all I have to do is to click, and great, it has been installed. All I have to do is to close my Sublime Text and restart it once again. So if it's highlighting actually. Okay, it's highlighting. So as you can see, my all the syntax is now highlighting, so that is why it's working. So guys, if this video helped you, please subscribe and don't forget to like my video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.